Hello everyone, Surbhi Kale this side. So today I've come with a night routine. Okay, I have made a night routine video earlier, but this is my McCaffeine night routine. Okay, so first I want to tell you is that during the lockdown I wasn't getting a lot of my product, but thankfully, you know, whenever this courier started delivering, I ordered my McCaffeine products and they came instantly. They were easily available. So I like this service. So a lot of appreciation for that brand who is at least making sure that they reach out to people on time. So for now I have done all my makeup. Actually I've just shot another video just before that. So today I'll show you how do I go about my night routine. Okay, so first of all, so how will I go about cleaning my face is very simple. There's no McCaffeine cleaning product right now, but yes, I have a Dot & Key, a balm which I speak quite often about. This is amazing. Look, the bottle is almost empty. I have to order this also. I hope I get it. So very simple, because I have done a lot of blue eye makeup, blue mascara, blue liner. So I'm sure these color take time to come off. So I'll melt it in my fingers. I'll start with my eyes first. I look so cute. Yeah, that was a bad joke. I look horrible. After that, you have to use like this paper towel like this. You get easily in the market. Otherwise, you can use any cotton pad. You have to wet it properly like this, and then you have to clean your. Go with your lips. I'm pretty okay cleaning my face with my micellar water, but just that it was in my hand. And this video is not about cleaning, just cleaning my face, because cleansers are cleansers. So as you can see, this cleanser is so amazing. Everything is out of my face. Okay, so I have done my cleaning routine. So first I have removed my makeup before my nighttime routine. After that, I'm going to use this cleanser. Okay, this is McCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face wash. They have a green tea face wash, also green tea range, but personally I love the smell of it, and I personally feel it's very good. And I don't know, I use both of them, but I normally reach out to this. I think I have some love for maybe coffee products, so when I put on my face I get some kind of rejuvenation, so that could be one of the factors. So I'll quickly wash my face and I'll come back. Okay, so I have pat dry my face, and there's one thing I want to tell you is when you wash your face, make sure you spend a minute, especially in your nighttime routine. Please spread your face wash evenly, let the product melt, let the product work on you, let the product does its work of pulling out the makeup or the dust, whatever impurities you have on the face. After that, once you wipe your face, don't go very hard on wiping your face, just pat it dry. You should have some moisture still left. Yes, that's a technique that you have to follow, that it has to be little bit of I'll say water on your skin. It should not be like totally dry, because when you have water, the product gets trapped. Whatever product you put, it is always more effective. So after that, normally we have a toner before every skincare routine, but no, McCaffeine doesn't have a toner. They have a green tea face serum, Naked Detox green tea face serum. I think green tea already has a toner kind of property. It helps in evening out the color of your skin, also helps in helping your pores. So I think it already has those qualities. That's why they have basically skipped the toner part. So we'll quickly go to the serum. It comes in a dropper like this. Okay, and so yeah, maybe one drop and then few little bit here. So how do you apply it is that you go like this on the forehead, chin, and if you have a little bit extra product, don't forget your neck area. So the thing is, you have to spread it. Okay, don't rub it, spread it evenly and then tap. If you have a little bit of water on your face, you'll notice this product will work. It will sit more smoothly on your skin. And as you keep tapping, you'll feel that there is kind of, little bit of stickiness. So that's the texture this product carries, but it doesn't make you feel sticky at all after that. So I think, whenever I bought this product, felt there. So I think that's the originality about this product. Okay. So as I have applied it, okay, I have to wait for like some time, maybe 20 seconds. In between, I'll apply my lip balm. Yes, I never forget my lip balm before my nighttime sleep. I'm using this Fab India Plum Passion lip balm. So moisturizing your lips is also very important. After that, it's your night cream. So straight to night cream. You have is M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel. It's a gel form, so I think it's great for the oily skin. I have a dry skin. It works perfect for me too. Perfectly for me too. So look, the jar is almost empty. It was so awesome. Okay, again, drop here. The best part about this that they don't have much of fragrance going on. I have used the Plum skincare range. I'm pretty impressed with that. But Plum has a lot of fragrance going on, okay? And the price wise, Plum is a little expensive. If you're looking for something which is affordable range, still good quality, feel good factor, very, very natural. So I think you can go for this brand. So now I can see that, you know, again I've spread it evenly, and now I'll again tap. So night cream is basically helping in collagen production, when serum is helping in collagen production, making your skin glow. It does the repair work. So you know, this has to be done just before you sleep, okay? Because you know, you don't want to be exposed to the dust, or you know, going for walks after the snow, or you're watching TV for too long, because sometimes you know that light of the tube lights and everything, because you're not wearing any sunscreen before nighttime. So it's preferably to use just before you sleep. Do your night routine just before you sleep. So again, this one has little bit of stickiness, kind of texture, but it will get better within a minute. After that is under eye cream. Again, I don't have a M Caffeine under eye cream, but I use the Indulgence Essential Eye Serum, which I've been using for years. I will not show it to you here, but that's what I've been talking, and I don't feel like changing it. But for now, I'll just tell you, I'm using this face wash, this serum, and this night cream, which is working great for my skin. I feel good. I think my skin looks fine. The repair work is going on fine. I'm not getting to any acne or any skin problem. You know, so I think good product, good range, easy to do, friendly on pocket, and so I hope you like this video. Do try this product. These products are great, you know. So do try this range. If you like this range, don't forget to comment. Do share it with your friends. Maybe it will benefit some of them. And take care. See you. Bye bye. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button right on the right side, and we don't charge anything for it, so don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. See you. Bye.